Alright, let's jump right in. 4 stocks you might want to keep an eye on today. CNC, UNH FI and LULU. First up, CNC, Centene Corporation. It's a big player in managed healthcare, and with healthcare demand rising, CNC's steady earnings and focus on government programs could make it a solid defensive pick. Then there's UNH, UnitedHealth Group. I know it's a giant, but that's the point. Strong financials, a massive market share, and consistent innovation keep UNH at the top of its game. This isn't just a pandemic darling, it's a long-term powerhouse. Switching gears, let's talk about Fiserv. If you believe in the future of digital payments and fintech, FI is worth watching. Their tech is everywhere, powering online payments and financial services behind the scenes. With more people and businesses going cashless, Fiserv's growth runway looks strong. And finally, Lulu. Yes, lululemon athletica. It's not just about yoga pants anymore. Lululemon keeps expanding. New products, global reach, even menswear. Their loyal customer base and premium brand let them defy retail trends. Remember, these aren't magic tickets. Always check your own strategies and risk levels. But if you're looking for ideas to add to your watch list, CNC, UNH, FI, and Lulu are all names I'm keeping an eye on today. Let me know down in the comments what stocks you're watching or if there's another ticker I should look at next. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.